Welcome back to TechRums. Today we're going to show you how to see the stats on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have a watch face like this one, which is the classic, you can't see it. So we're going to quickly go ahead and change the watch faces to something that does actually show us the info that we want. And let's see if we can go here. This one might show us like this. So this one has the stats of the battery, how many steps and calories we have used, but we can't tap and do anything here. So we have to click the button here and click again. And here we have the little top right, the stats of today, calories, steps, standing, calories again. We can have how much activity we have and all the stats that you want. So that is how you check. You press the button, top right corner with a little drop in yellow. That would be the stats. And also, like I said, with this watch face, you can see the stats on your screen. As your day and your activity increases, you'll see these fill up, but also you'll see the battery go down. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.